Hello everyone, it's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today, I'm gonna work on the little dilemma problem we got going on here. So, when I built a new chicken coop, and I added the two boxes, I run into a problem. Obviously they use it no problem. But at night, they're roosting on the front of this and they're pooping inside the boxes. I have these two pieces of plastic that I have to put in every night. But in doing so, sometimes in the morning I don't get out here fast enough. And one of them is a real early leg air. And 90% of the time her egg is broken. And then the other ones are all fighting and waiting for me to hurry up and take the plastic off so that they can get in there. So what I think I'm gonna do today, besides give them water right now in a little bowl in the yard that they like to drink out of. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some spare wood that we have and I'm gonna build another leg A box, but I'm gonna attach it outside this part. Now, actually, I'm gonna attach it to that 2x4 right there, and it'll be just a small, maybe 12 inches wide. I think it's 32 inches wide, like this one, 12 inches wide, and I'll put a roof on it and an open face, so that they can lay their eggs out here. And I'll make the wood in the front a lot shorter so that they won't roost on it during the day or nothing, because they got this nice little perches that I've made all over with natural wood. So that way I can take and I'll board that up so they can't get in there at night, and then the only time that they will be able to access it is if we're out of town and the neighbors need to come get eggs. That way she don't have to go inside the coop. So let's get started. So what I've done, something a little right up there, is I got some extra wood here, some extra stuff here, and I got some 2x4s and 1x2s and all that laying around. So what I've actually done already is I've actually cut the bottom. Cut the bottom piece, and I put a 1x2 in there as a trim. Now, I'm just gonna take there, we got some of them. There's the bottom. So I got the bottom made. Now I cut the back. Is this it? Pretty sure this is it, because I measured the back to be 12. What do you? Oh, gypsy. 12 inches. So now what I'll do is I'll take it actually. So, right there's the back, and there's the bottom. So now I think the front, all the front's gonna help do is keep the straw in there, the bedding. And I'm not gonna make it too high. So what I do is come through, I should say, go through my extra wood stacks here. And look at that. What you find is what you get. Let's take. I have a pencil here somewhere. There it is. Let's take the pencil. Mark it. Actually. We'll just take and zip this off real quick. Now this to the front. Here's the let's here it is. Here's the bottom. So let's see. That'd work. So 16 inches. And as you can see, I looked to make sure there's no chickens over there before I finished cutting all the way through. Not that I want to use this as veg, but hey, it works. It's got to be flush in the back because of the way it's going to be mounted. Let's get a straight edge. Nice little nesting box that I'm going to install on the outside of the, where they could lay eggs outside instead of inside. So let's see, we can get a couple screws. I don't want to make it too high off the ground. So what we'll do is all right. So We got him mounted. Let's go get some bedding to throw in there. We're just gonna put enough in there for the wood chest. Some on both sides. Now what I'll do, so I'm done with it. It's a quick build. I was gonna take an egg out of where they've been doing and put in there, but there's actually one in each side now and one waiting to get in. I mean, I can't ask for nothing more than laying eggs, so I'm happy for that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it right there. We'll see if they get in it today. Everybody that's outside here during tree, they all come checking it out. So let's see what happens. I may have to put something to lead up to it. We'll wait and see. We'll see what goes on from there. If not, I can always do that. I have no problem doing that. So, if you like this quick video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully this works.
All right, everybody, so Bob built those on January 18th, and today is February 12th. Watch all these chickens run to me. Every time I open the door, they run. Let me grab a little snack. All right, so like I said, today's he built that on January 18th. Today is the February 12th, so it's almost been a month. And they have not laid in it yet. Bob says he saw them get into it, but they have not laid in there. So I tried to find a white golf ball to put in there, but all I could find was a yellow one. So sometimes you can put a golf ball or like a fake egg in there, and they'll think it's a place to lay. You want the food in there for you, buddy? And we'll see in a couple of days if the golf ball works. All right, so it's been a day. We put the golf ball in yesterday, so let's go check on the box. Come on, let me through. Let me through. Anybody laying in the box? I don't even see the golf ball. Oh, look, there's an egg. There's an egg, thank you. But where's the golf ball? Oh, there's the golf ball. So it just took the golf ball being in there for them to lay. All right. We'll see you on the next video.